Hello everyone, Daria here, and thank you for paying attention to my membership program. Let me quickly tell you about what to expect there. If you are interested in Russian culture, I mean Russian music, Russian literature, Russian poetry, Russian movies, and so on, and on top of that you want to learn some Russian language, this program will work for you because there you will find lessons about all the stuff I mentioned, and you'll be able to combine learning Russian culture with learning the Russian language. If you are someone who wants to learn step by step, I mean from the easiest to the most difficult, some structured course, it's not for you. My membership program is just a bunch of extra learning materials, I mean listening and especially reading. Now let's get on the screen and I will show you what to expect in the membership program. So after you join the program, you will see that you have this green mark here and you go inside, and it's a 6 months long program. So every month you will get access to some new lessons. Let's go to month number 1 now. Here you're gonna have an access to the library. You see Russian language textbooks, Russian readers, and Russian literature, of course. Everything is downloadable and ready to be used. Also, we have 4 or sometimes it's going to be 5 lessons. You see, something about music, something just about to practice listening and speaking, something about movies, something about poetry. Again, as I said, some cultural stuff. Let's get deeper here. For example, we start with Russian Federation anthem, and here you'll see the full text. Some of the words are in bold. Here it is a vocabulary section, and of course you can download everything and listen to the audio lesson. So it's very good to listen on the go. Now let's check out a dialogue from a movie. Dialogue from the movie Brother 2. You will watch the video, and of course there is my explanation about what's going on in the dialogue. Here is the full text and again some vocabulary to practice. So that was it. Now you know what to expect, and I really hope that you will join and will be able to discuss all those lovely parts of Russian culture with you. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you in my membership program. Bye bye.